Big changes are coming to your Fairfax County Public Library this fall.
We are transitioning to a brand new library catalog system to give you a more modern and user-friendly online experience. You're going to love the upgraded look and features.
Searching for library materials will be easier, more intuitive, faster, and more mobile-friendly than ever before.
You'll find books, e-books, audiobooks, movies, and more, all in the same place on the catalog webpage.
Customize your account experience with options like creating a username to log in and choosing text notifications.
We are excited to bring you a flexible, mobile-friendly online experience. This is a big change for us as well, so pardon our digital dust as we transition.
Some online library services will be interrupted when we take the old system offline.
As we prepare for and adjust to this transition, there may be fewer library events offered during the month of November.
Don't worry, your friendly library staff will be available to help you during the transition.
From all of us, thank you for your patience during this digital transition. We can't wait to give you a smarter, faster, more modern Fairfax County Public Library experience this fall.